Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this lecture, I will identify for you the single line diagram. In power engineering, a one-line diagram or a single line diagram is a simplified notation for representing a three-phase power system. The one-line diagram has its largest application in power flow studies. Electrical elements such as the circuit breakers and transformer and the capacitor and the bus bars and the conductors are shown by standardized schematic symbols. This picture is a symbol for a single line diagram for the high voltage system. And see here, this is a most common type of symbol which are used for drawing the single line diagrams. For example, this symbol is for reactor's non-magnetic core, and here this is a relay for measurement. This is for CT, and here for this is for two-winding transformer, delta Y or delta star, and here this is for grounding, and here for this for synchronization motor, and so on. And here I will give you a practical example to design and drawing the single line diagram. Make a single line diagram for building consists of a typical 6 floors plus ground plus basement floor. If the building have the following loads: 1. Every floor have a 2-panel port. 2. The first panel feed the normal power and the lighting and the FCUs, and the total demand power is 30 kVA. 3. The second panel is specific for the workstation outlet and the IT racks, and the total demand power is 10 kVA. And there are 3 elevators, and the capacity for everyone is 5 kVA. The building have a 3 killers unit on the roof, and anyone is 75 horsepower. The owner required a backup generators to feed the essential load, and he considered the HVAC system is non-essential load. The capacity of the fire pump is 5 horsepower, and also the capacity of the water pump sets is 5 horsepower, and the capacity of the landscape lighting or the outdoor lighting is 20 kVA. The power factor for the local electricity company is 0.85.